So to do some basic editing, I've set up an MXD called Basic Editing, and in that you should have a region of interest, a parcel selection, and an aerial map as a download. You can also use the bookmark. So I've set this to default to the region of interest, and what we're going to do is we're going to digitize all the different land parcels. So one thing that you'll need to do to make this a lot easier is to set up a geodatabase. So we're going to go ahead and set up a file geodatabase, and in the geodatabase I'm going to set up a new feature data set called cover. So this is my land cover feature data set, and I'm going to import a projection from the parcels and the region of interest. Rather than try to look for it, I know that they're going to be the same. So I have a geodatabase feature data set, and I want now to create a new feature class called land cover. And I want to enter a couple fields. I want to put a cover type as one of my fields, and the other I want to put in acreage. So I can set these up because I know I'm going to want to fill in this information. Okay, so to make my editing and digitizing much easier, I can set up some domains in my geodatabase. So I'm going to right click the geodatabase, go to properties and domains. My domain name is going to be cover, and this is going to be land types, and I'm going to be using text, and then I'm going to enter the different field codes. So I have fields that are plowed, I have fields that are planted, I have some fields that are natural vegetation, so I'm going to just call these grass. I have some areas that are treed. I've got a water feature, and I also have a road that's cutting through here, and rather than a line I want to use a polygon for this. So those are all of my domains and my field codes. I'm going to choose OK. Now when I go back to my land cover type, I'm going to go to properties, and I'm going to click on cover, and I'm going to tell the feature class where those domains can be found, and I called that domain field cover. And you're going to see why that's going to be very helpful when you begin to digitize.